For the individual task, we need to test our internet connection using speedtest.net to find out the type of internet connection, the number of pings, the number of download speed and upload speed. Speedtest is a platform that uses the device's internet connection to measure the speed between your device and the test server. If this implies using the same provider, we can obtain one speed test result on one device and a different result on another. Here, I attached 6 different speed results for all members. This figure shows the result of all members in our group based on speed test results. We have compared the result in the table as shown here. Based on my observation, all of my members use a type of wireless network connection. It is because wireless network allows several devices to share files and other resources while sharing the same internet connection. The reason why they use the wireless network it is because it has high capacity, load balancing, good scalability, and has good performance in the network management system. Next, for the internet capacity, is the quantity of traffic that a network can handle at any given time. As shown in the table here, all of the members have the same internet capacity, which is unlimited. Next, ping means the connection response time on how quickly you obtain a response after sending a request. Duration for ping is measured in milliseconds or ms. For my observation, Afifah has a ping rate 70 milliseconds that is much higher compared to other members, while Ainul state the lowest ping rate, which is 11 milliseconds. Next, for download speed refer to how quickly you can get data from the server to your computer. Megabits per second or Mbps is the unit of measurement for download speed. The table shows that Luqman has the highest download rate among other members at a speed 221.11 Mbps and Shamimi has the lowest total download rate which is 6.48 Mbps only. Lastly, the upload speed indicates how quickly data is sent from you to others. Upload speed uses the same measurement as download speed. For my observation, Luqman has the highest download rate among other members at a speed at 258.19 Mbps and Haikal has the lowest total upload rate which is 8.70 Mbps only. To conclude this table, even though Ainul has a much lower ping than Luqman, but overall Luqman has a better characterizing network infrastructure and traffic than the other since its download and upload speed is the highest rate. It is because Luqman uses a type of network that comprises hardware and software, system and devices, and allow people, services, applications, and processes to communicate and compute. For example, Luqman uses a type of wireless LTE and Wi-Fi with unlimited capacity is one of the reasons. In addition, location also play a role in determining the speed of a network. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, next I will explain all the protocol that has been observed by each member. Here is the table of protocol packets that are captured in Wireshark for each member. TCP protocol is used for organizing data in a way that ensures that the secure transmission between the server and client. For this protocol, you can see that Nadia has the highest packet of TCP protocol and Ainul has the lowest packet of protocol. DHCP-VC is a network protocol for configuring IPv6 hosts with IP address, IP prefix, and other configuration data required to operate in an IPv6 network. Haikal has the highest packet of the protocol and Nadia has the lowest packet of protocol. IPv4 protocol is the underlying technology that makes it possible for us to connect our devices to the web. As shown in the table, Nadia has the highest packet of IPv4 protocol, meanwhile Luqman has the lowest packet of IPv4 protocol. IPv6 is the next generation internet protocol IP address that intend to supplement and eventually replace IPv4. For IPv6 protocol, Afifah has the lowest packet and Shamimi has the highest packet. CRIP protocol is an experimental transport layer network protocol designed by Google. Haikal and Ainul have the lowest packet of CRIP protocol and Nadia has the highest packet of protocol. The Domain Network System protocol helps internet user and network devices discover websites using human-readable hostname instead of numeric IP address. Shamimi has the highest packet and Haikal has the lowest packet. HTTP protocol is the communication protocol used to connect the web server on the internet or on the local network. intranet. The primary function of HTTP is to establish a connection with the server and send HTML pages back to the user browsers. For this protocol, we can see that Nadia has the highest protocol and Haikal has the lowest packet of protocol. Next, UDP protocols is a communication protocol that is primarily used to establish low latency and loss tolerating connection between applications on the internet. As shown in the table, Ainul has the highest packet of UDP protocol and Afifa has the lowest packet of protocol. Transport Layer Security Protocol is an encryption protocol that protects internet communication. For this protocol, Nadia has the highest packet of protocol and Ainul has the lowest packet of protocol. Lastly, ICMPv6 protocol. It is an integral part of IPv6 and perform error reporting and diagnostic function. For this protocol, Nadia has the lowest packet of protocol and Haikal has the higher packet of protocol.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Kim and I will explain all the different colors that being observed in Wireshark. Packet colorization in Wireshark is a very useful feature. You can set up Wireshark so that it will colorize packets according to a display filter. This allows you to emphasize the packets you might be interested in. There are two types of coloring rules in Wireshark, which is temporary rules and permanent rules. Temporary rules that are only in effect until you quit the program, and permanent rules that are saved in a preference file so that they are available the next time you run Wireshark. Wireshark color codes packets based on coloring rules. It comes with several of these built-in, but not everyone knows you can define your own custom coloring rules. To view the built-in coloring rules or to create your own, go to View and choose Coloring Rules option. Some common protocols and colors that we can observe in Wireshark is light purple for TCP protocols, light blue for UDP protocols, black color for packets with errors, light green for HTTP traffic, light yellow for SMB, and cream for routing. That's all from me. Thank you.
The chart that was used for the speed test result is cluster column chart. The x-axis is represented by speed test and the name of the group members, such as Nadia, Shamimi, Afifa, Ainul, Haika, and Luqman. Next, for the y-axis is represented by a value of megabyte per second (Mbps). For the categories of data, it represented by the bar with the different color, which are the blue represent the internet capacity, the orange represent ping, light gray represent download speed, and mustard represent upload speed. From the chart, we can see the internet capacity for all members is unlimited. And for the ping, we can see that Afifa get the highest value that is 70 milliseconds, while Ainul get a lowest value that is 11 milliseconds. After that, the chart shows that Luqman has the highest download rate among other members at the speed of 221.11 Mbps, and Shamimi has the lowest total download rate, which is 6.48 Mbps only. For upload speed, Luqman has a 258.19 Mbps, that is much higher compared to other members, while Haikal state the lowest upload speed rate is 8.7 Mbps. From the chart, we can conclude that Luqman has a better characterizing network infrastructure and traffic than the other since its download and upload speed is the highest rate. Next, the chart that was used for the type of protocol is a cluster column chart. The earth axis is represented by the type of protocol and the name of the group members such as Nadia, Shamimi, Afifa, Ainur, Haikal, and Lukman. Next, the y-axis is represented by a value of packet. For the categories of data, it represented by the bar with the different colors, which are the blue represent the TCP, the orange represent DHCP version 6, light gray represent MDNS, master represent IPv4, light blue represent IPv6, light gray represent QUIC, dark blue represent DNS, brown represent HTTP, dark green represent UDP, olive green represent TLS, and navy blue represent ICMP version 6. For the TCP, Nadia get the highest value rate, which is 846,351 packet, while Ainu get the lowest value rate, which is 75,235 packet. After that, the chart show the Haikal has the highest DHCP version 6 among other members at the 181 packet, and Nadia has the lowest total DHCP version 6, which is 4 packets only. Then for the MDNS, Shamimi has the highest packet, which is 101,421 packet, while Afifa has the lowest packet, which is 87. Then for the IPv4, Nadia has the highest packet, which is 971,510, while Lukman has the lowest packet, which is 201,706. For IPv6, Shamimi has the highest packet, which is 130,496, while Afifa has the lower packet, which is 183. Next, for the QUIC, Nadia has the highest packet, which is 50,124, while Lukman has the lowest packet, which is 12,474.
For DNS, Shamimi gets the highest value rate as much as 2,407, and the lowest value rate is Haikal with value of protocol is 436. Next, for HTTP, Nadia owns the high value among others with 11,710, while Haikal gets a lowest value, which is only 7 for this protocol. Then, for UDP, Ainu gets the highest value, which is 284,479, and the lowest value is Afifa, who gets 113. For TLS, the highest value in this protocol is Nadia, with the value 136,925, while the lowest value is 25,753 owned by Ainu. For ICMP v6, Haikal gets the highest value, which is 1,527, while the lowest value is Nadia, with the value she gets is 24. For the chart number of each color entry appear, also use a cluster column chart. The x-axis is represented by the color and the number of the group members such as Lukman, Nadia, Shamimi, Ainu, Haikal, and Afifa. Next, the y-axis is presented by a number of each color entry appear, as this is represent for each of our members, and for the categories of the data, the bar is represented with the same color as color of number entry appear in the capturing the packet on the network. We have protocol with a light purple, light blue, black, light green, light yellow, cream, grey, red, and pink. For light purple, Nadia has a huge amount compared to others with 846,531, while the lowest is Ainu with the value 75 3,235. Next, for light blue, we have the highest value on by INU with 337 with 337,314.5, and the lowest is Lukman with 15,196. Then for black, Nadia gets the highest, which is 332,653, while the lowest is Ainul, 12,432. For the light green, we have Nadia again as the highest, with the value is 400,000 and 490. The lowest is Haika with 32. Next, light yellow. Shamimi gets the highest with the value 14,583, and the lowest is Lukman with 0 value. Next, for cream, the highest value in this graph is 489, which is Haika, and the lowest is 17, Nadia. For grey, the highest is Shamimi, which the value is 4,720. For lowest is Nadia, with value 2,043. For red color, Shamimi gets the highest value, which is 499, and we have value 97 as a lowest value owned by Haikal. And the last, Haikal got highest for pink color, which is 1,527. Then Nadia gets 26 as the lowest value in this color. Thank you.
I will present the slide of reasoning what are the types of the packet that were received and sent by each of the team members are different. As for the research from our group, we find that the first reason being is because we do surfing on different kind of website, making the destination is different from each other. When destination is different, for surely the protocol used by the designated website is different. In this case, Afifa and Nadia did search on the YouTube during capturing the packets through Wireshark, while Ainul and Shamimi streaming the Netflix. As for the result, YouTube and Netflix uses different types of protocol which are TCP and RTMP consecutively. The next reason that affects the types of packet received and sent is the device acceptance towards the AP. Some of the devices maybe do not support the adaptability towards the latest AP. For example, certain protocol that is implemented in the Wi-Fi 6 access point. Hence, the device will only accept the suitable protocols. These situations makes the packet of all members different.